Did you know that you can make money online and get rich in the most legit way even if you don't have your own product? It is proven and fast growing as rapidly increasing number of people is doing it, and this is 100% legit. The best of all, you can do it even without showing your face. So, keep watching and let us unlock the secrets of lucrative opportunities to earn a lot online and get rich in the most legit way even if you don't have your own product. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the red bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload new videos. Hey there, in this eye-opening journey, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing and how you can turn it into a powerful income stream. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video has valuable insights for you. Step 1. What is affiliate marketing? First things first, let's clarify what affiliate marketing is. At its core, affiliate marketing is a partnership between you, the affiliate, and a company or brand. You promote their products or services, and in return, you earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Step 2. Choosing the right niche. One of the keys to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. It's essential to pick a niche you're passionate about or have knowledge in because it makes the process more enjoyable and authentic. Step 3. Types of affiliate programs. There are 3 main types of affiliate programs to choose from. Number 1. High-paying, low-volume, niche products with fewer buyers. For example, HubSpot sells only to businesses, but their affiliate program pays well, 100% of first month and 15% monthly recurring commission. Number 2. Low-paying, high-volume, products with mass appeal, example PS5 games. For example, Amazon only pays up to 10% commission. But the good thing is they offer commissions off the entire value of the purchase, and not just the product you recommended. Number 3. High-paying, high-volume, expensive products with mass appeal, example. Credit cards. An issue is that these programs tend to attract affiliate marketers with deep expertise in pockets and willingness to black hat tactics. Step 4. Finding affiliate programs. Next, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. You can search for these programs on various affiliate networks, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or individual companies' websites. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content by clicking the bell icon for notifications. Step 5. Building your audience. Now, let's talk about your audience. You'll want to build and connect with a target audience that's interested in your niche. This could be through a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or email list. Step 6. Creating valuable content. You need to create valuable, relevant, and quality content that incorporates your affiliate links naturally. This could be in the form of product reviews, tutorials, or how-to guides. Step 7. Promoting your affiliate links. When it comes to promoting your affiliate links, it's crucial to be transparent with your audience. Disclose your affiliate relationships, and only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Step 8. Tracking and analytics. Tracking and analytics are your best friends in affiliate marketing. Use tools provided by affiliate programs or third-party software to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze the data to optimize your strategies. Step 9. Scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. Once you've found success with affiliate marketing, consider scaling your efforts. Explore new affiliate programs, expand your content, and reach a broader audience to maximize your earnings. Step 10. Common mistakes to avoid. To wrap things up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing. These include spamming, promoting too many products at once, and not providing genuine value to your audience. That's a wrap on our affiliate marketing journey today. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right strategies, it can become a significant source of passive income. Well, I will love to know about your thoughts on affiliate marketing. So here is what I want you to do. Scroll down to the comments section and tell us what your thoughts on affiliate marketing are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching. See you all in our next video.